There are some things you don't want to be too busy for. You can't afford to be too busy to pray or read the Bible or go to church. It's cold, it's hot, I'm tired, we're busy, it's been a rough week. All bad excuses. And sliding in late and leaving early is not what Paul had in mind when he wrote in Hebrews 10:25, not forsaking the assembling of ourselves together. The reason many people are slack about church is that they don't understand the value or the purpose of church. Corporate worship is important. We are to care about each other and for each other, and the church is a missionary center. We gather to be encouraged, and from the church we enter the mission field to serve the Lord and seek the lost. The Bible doesn't sanction excuses. When it comes to church, the Bible urges you to go. I'm John Bradshaw for It Is Written.